How to set mono audio to connected audio and phone speakers on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on hearing enhancements. Then we scroll down and tap on mono audio. Tap on the left hand side. Then from the list here, you can select connected audio or connected audio and phone speakers. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.